Today we're going to make a Japanese-style spring mix salad with red cabbage and carrot garnish. For this, we will need spring mix, red cabbage, carrot, and tomato. We're going to start by taking a quarter of our red cabbage and be sure to remove the outside skin. Next, we'll remove the core by simply slicing it off. We've also prepared a metal bowl with a strainer filled with water and a slicer set to as thin as possible. And we'll take our red cabbage and make very thin slices with the slicer. We're aiming for a paper-thin consistency. After we've sliced the cabbage, we're going to run it under cold water to take the purple color out. Now this will help reduce bitterness and will also prevent from dyeing the carrots when we add them. They will retain their nice vibrant color. After we have rinsed and strained our cabbage, we're going to mix our julienne carrots in. Be sure to mix them up well to evenly distribute the colors. Now at this point we have prepared a bowl full of spring mix, and we have our shredded cabbage and carrot mixture, as well as a tomato and some salad dressing. Now before applying the salad dressing, we want to shake very well because all the ingredients have separated. Then after we dress it, we can add the cabbage and carrot garnish on top and then the tomato on the side. But before we apply our tomato, we're going to want to cut off the portion that was connected to the vine, and then we'll cut it in half. And here is our completed Japanese-style spring mix salad.